Historically, October has been a big month for supersonic flight. Chuck Yeager broke the sound barrier in an aircraft on October 14, 1947. The Concorde made its final passenger flight on October 24, 2003. Now, NASA is developing a prototype of an aircraft that could bring supersonic flight back to the traveling public. The aircraft is called the Low Boom Flight Demonstrator and is slated for a series of test flights in the early 2020s.
The major challenge facing NASA and the U.S. aerospace industry for designing future supersonic transports is the loudness of the sonic boom. We need to get that boom away from a sharp boom boom and get it down to more like a thump thump, or maybe even a whoosh whoosh sound, where it might sound like a distant rumble. If it's not nearly as bothersome, then we've achieved our goal of reducing the booms that it's not bothersome to the public.
Many of the studies to reduce the intensity of the sonic boom were conducted in the wind tunnels at NASA's Ames Research Center. Ames has a long legacy of researching how to design aircraft to fly at supersonic speeds. Researchers made several key breakthroughs in supersonic aerodynamics beginning in the 1940s using unique high-speed wind tunnels, experimental flight testing, and later on, advanced computer simulations. One of the greatest results to come from this research was the blunt body design that made it possible to safely return astronauts back from space. Perhaps someday in a future October, a commercial supersonic airplane based on the Low Boom Flight Demonstrator will take off on its first passenger flight.